So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about new rules for 2020. Whether it's in business, but it's going to be more in business. But it definitely can translate to your personal life. So if you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, like I said, I want to talk about new rules for 2020. I would say 2019 has proven to be quite a challenging year for me, and I've learned a lot of lessons. From the lessons come knowledge and experience, and so moving forward we want to do things different with new rules. So I want to talk about the new rules we will be implementing in 2020, and maybe you can implement them in your life as well. So if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Without knowing anything about me, just hit that subscribe button. Just hit that subscribe button without knowing anything about me. If you're not new, welcome back. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber, aka the Sassy Entrepreneur. I'm also known as the Original Glamsta on Instagram. I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and Girl Censored is a women's apparel brand. We believe in expressing ourselves through fashion. I think it's important for us to express ourselves, whatever that is, and so Girl Censored is a brand that expresses ourselves through fashion, and this is actually one of our sweatshirts from our line, which is out of stock at the moment, but perhaps when this video goes up it'll be back in stock, who knows. I am the creator of Magical Beauty Cosmetics, and you can find out more about Magical Beauty at girlcensored.com, along with our women's fashion apparel brand. So I wasn't sure if I was going to make a video today, but I felt inclined to make a video because I feel like it's important to learn from our mistakes and from others, and so I wanted to share with you some of the new rules that I will be implementing in 2020. So, new rule for 2020, we will invest more into ourselves. And that means either time, energy, and money. Especially when you're in business and you're an entrepreneur, sometimes you can be inundated with so many different things. Even if you're just, with family, you can be inundated with so many different responsibilities and obligations that you get lost, and it's important to maintain some sanity. Sanity, that's a great thing to have. So I think it's important to start investing in yourself, and I think it's also important, I want to say this in this rule, is that I think it's important to invest in a coach, some sort of teacher, classes. I hate classes, I hate school. I'm not gonna lie. But it's important to learn. And if you don't have the funds to invest in a coach, classes, YouTube is free. I watch YouTube every morning. I try to learn something new about myself or in business through YouTube. There's videos, countless videos on whatever you need coaching on. Definitely take advantage of YouTube when it comes to investing in yourself. I mean, you can find anything when it comes to your health, your fitness, your whatever, your fashion even. I mean, shameless plug, Girl Censored, check out that channel. We got you. So, second rule for 2020, and this one's important. Yeah, this one's important. I think too, being an entrepreneur, a lot of times people are like, you gotta go to all these networking events, and a lot of times people spend so much time at these networking events and get nowhere, okay? You go to this event, you go to that event, and it's the same damn people. The same damn people. And you're spending a lot of time going to these events and getting nowhere. So, new rule, target specific people you want to work with. There are so many ways that you can target people and collaborate with others and actually find leads targeted without spending time going to all these networking events and getting nowhere. Now, with that being said, there are benefits to going to networking events. I'm not gonna lie. There are benefits. You get to meet people, mingle. But to me, you can do that at a bar. You know? You can do that at a bar. When I'm working, I like laser target focused leads, people that I need to work with, people I need to know. And with that being said, I think another rule should be, and this is just me thinking out loud, is, actually building a relationship with that person too. Just because you find someone that might be good for your business, your brand, or whatever, doesn't necessarily mean that you should work with them, because not everyone jives like that. I think it's important to actually build a relationship. And so not only build the relationship, but be specific about who you're spending your time with. Time is of the essence. Ain't nobody got time to be wasting time. And I know I don't. So being specific and being targeted, yes. New rule for 2020. So rule number 3 I want to say for 2020 that we're going to implement is journaling and scripting. Now, I did this a lot last year, and it's proven to be quite fruitful for me. And not just that, in gathering my thoughts and actually like putting a container on my thoughts, but also I have come up with so many amazing ideas through scripting and journaling. And so new rule is to, anytime that you feel lost and you don't know which direction you should go, get a pencil and pad or a pen. Who uses pencils anymore? And start scripting and journaling. So rule number 4 for 2020, and this is a big one, and this is one that I learned last year, is that, well, not even just last year, I'm gonna be honest, like my whole damn life, is that, being an entrepreneur and being someone that wants to make an impact of some sort and want to just like, whatever your dreams are, whatever it is that you want to do, you want to get validation from everyone, your family, your spouse, your whoever, everyone that's around you. You want to have validation, and you're not going to get that all the time. And you're probably not going to get it at all. I mean, some people are lucky enough that they do get that, but it's hard. And not to say that there's anything wrong, because sometimes, a lot of times, people just don't understand. And that's not a bad thing, because, it is what it is. And people are not always going to understand you. And so knowing that makes it a lot easier to take in. But you will have to be your biggest cheerleader. And that can be hard, because sometimes when, things get tough and, things get shaky, you would want someone to kind of have your back. But know that you're probably going to have to be your biggest cheerleader. So whatever you need to do to stay motivated and to be your biggest fan, to be your biggest cheerleader, you need to do that. And a lot of times, especially with me, I have to implement affirmations to tell myself, hey girl, you got this. Hey girl, you got this. You got this. You got this. And sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. But it's important to keep down that path, because what is it? Rome wasn't built in a day, is the saying. And it really is true. You really have to be consistent. You have to keep moving forward each and every day. And that can be hard, especially when you feel like people don't have your back, or you're kind of like on an island by yourself. But it's important to, whatever you need to do to be your biggest fan, do that. Whatever it is. There are a lot of things that you can do. Like for me, like I said, I do affirmations. I like to create content. That actually helps me continue down the path, because I like creating. I love creating. I like putting myself out there sometimes. Not all the time, because people have opinions about me and you don't know a goddamn thing about. I'm going to be honest. Okay. They don't know anything about me. But it's not the easiest thing in the world, but You know, you have to do that for yourself, and it's important that you do so. And I think that's all I'm going to do for this video since my battery is about to die. I just wanted to say this. I want people to live in their passion. That's why I created the channel. Whatever it is for you. It could be working a 9-to-5. It could be starting your own job. Starting your own business. It could be creating your dream life. Whatever it is, I think it's important that we share our stories, we share our struggles, and we know that we're not alone in this, because it's important that we live in our passion. It's important for you to live in your passion. It's important for me to live in my passion. That raises the consciousness of this planet, I believe, and that's why I do what I do, and that's why I create these videos. So I'm gonna leave it at that. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do videos on life, business, entrepreneurship, beauty, everything, girlfriend, everything at this point. Also, definitely check out girlcensored.com. We have some new arrivals to the store. Super excited about that. And you receive 10% off your first purchase. So definitely take advantage of that. To learn more about me, you can visit me at ambermarieturner.com. Also follow me at Amber the Sassy Entrepreneur on Instagram. And until next time, I will check you in the next video. Peace.